So now that the camera's recording, we're here with Jackson, and we're gonna... It's like second time I've tried this intro, but we'll do it. We'll do it good. On this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics, we're gonna be working on the Coleman KT196 Go-kart. This thing is a pretty sweet go-kart, but it's got a fatal flaw, and that is gonna be the Jackshaft situation that's normally right about here. You'll notice that mine is no longer there. That's because they suck. So I welded up, the tears in the metal and made it look good, and I can drop some pictures of that right here. And what we've done is we've converted this to a single chain by buying a duplicate sprocket, a replacement one. It was like 40 bucks. And we welded it straight on. I say we a lot, it was just me. I did it alone. People told me not to. Yeah, I had no part of that.
I didn't do that.
So that was the decision I made on my own, thinking that this 25 tooth was gonna work out. It didn't, which, as you can see from these burn marks, has smoked a couple of belts. And probably gonna have to polish that up. It's not supposed to look like that. So what I've done is I've got a 40 tooth. It should give me somewhere close to a 4-to-1. I think that's right. I've got Comet blue garter springs go in here, so it engages at a higher RPM. We've got a new piece of chain, and hopefully this thing is not gonna smoke belts, and hopefully it'll do wheelies with my kids and at least pull like a grown fat ass up it. So we got this grinder, we got the impact. So just kind of turn it slowly, I guess, in a way that, yeah. What kind of slow motion you got there? Oof. All right. I did forget that the chain is still on here. All right, party happens soon. Ow, it's in my shoe. Okay, so luckily, with my enhanced welding techniques, a lot of the weld broke off, so it's going to be easy to clean that up once we get this off of here. We went ahead and polished this with our professional polishing skills, and now we're going to hit it with a hammer and get this whole thing out. Come here and just figure it out. Oh man, I hope I didn't mess up my cup. Line up or no? It was a complete guess. It was 100% a guess.
Do you want the truth? Or do you want me to lie to you?
I want a surprise. A good surprise?
Not a good surprise.
How far off are we?
Quite.
Okay. In the same region though, we could just slot those holes, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit! What are you doing? Oh. Oh, what?
It'll be fine. Nothing.
Dead fucking match, is it not? What an idiot. Hell yeah, we did it! It fits! I'm so glad. But look how much bigger this fucking hole is. What if we just grind that flat? I'm so glad that we got to share that experience together.
Yes!
Fantastic. So, as you can see here, this bolts right up. Since we drilled these holes in here, it fits perfectly now. It wouldn't be this.
Hey, we didn't do shit. You did that. You can own that one.
That's pretty flat. I mean, it's a go-kart. No. All right. Yep.
Certified assembly tool.
All right. So now we're just gonna get this. Does that need to be guided some way on the end? Is there something holding me up there? Try to wiggle it. Okay. Don't be scared. There you go.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that doesn't look so bad. Oh, come on. I thought that was going to be worse than it was. Oh.
Yeah, like that. See?
Shit. Alright, so the easy way to do it is you... Oh, these are just two hooks.
Yeah, like that.
That one. Oh, yeah. Okay, you do that one too then. You got to stagger them or no?
I don't know, read the instructions.
There's instructions.
Huh?
Said there's instructions.
I didn't read them.
Nice.
That's what I'm telling you, Miss Nancy.
There's no instructions. I guess that was a question. I said it like a statement, but it was definitely a question. There's... Hell yeah. That looks faster. That's pretty smooth now. Oh, hold on. Let's make sure there's not a fucking spacer in there. I did that once. Yeah. Also have made the mistake of not being able to put this on correctly. Flat side in. Make sure your flat side is in. It's only angled on one side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we need that one.
This guy, make sure you got these flat spots. This has got flat spots. So you want it to like protrude through. Otherwise, if it's like this or some wax shit, no good. All right. Then this guy has got a flat spot. Just like my head when I was a baby.
Nobody loved you.
I got dropped a lot. So...
Why back your head so flat?
After you...
picked you up.
Exactly. See, why has this bitch got a flat spot too? It looked like something's supposed to go there, right? Mm-hmm. I don't got nothing. Oh, extra piece. Okay.
Don't put your finger there.
Probably down here a little bit more accessible.
Yeah, best advice I can give you is lock the chain on the sprocket and then put the master link in.
Get down on it. That one looks like it almost penetrated. That one looks like I could hit it with a hammer. Get a hammer.
None of that penetrated. No, you did. It just came apart when I touched it with the hammer.
When I touched it with the hammer. No. Okay. So, now that we got it all situated, we put a couple tacks on there. Obviously we had some issues with power. Still not powered in the shop. We're just running off a surge protector and obviously running an extension cord into a surge protector and then a 100-foot extension cord out of it's not going to give you a lot of juice. So we juiced up. We got blue springs here. We did not mess with this one yet. Figured just leave some room for adjustment. Got that tacked on. That's in place. I like that the 40 tooth does not hang down lower. I like that the 40 tooth does not hang down lower than the skid plate. A lot of people are running 60s and it does hang down lower. There's already not a lot of clearance. We can tighten the chain with the engine mount here by raising it and lowering it. So we just got to tighten it. The chain's fine. We've got it in a good position. Gonna run these up, run that up, and then we should be good to
Ready to rip. Ready to rip.
Should be. Hopefully. It's like 1:30 right now, 2 a.m. So probably not gonna run this tonight. But in the morning, I'm gonna be choo-hoo! You know what I'm talking about? Alright. Should be rocking and rolling now. Let's see if those small little tack welds hold. I don't even think this is warmed up enough yet. The tack welds didn't hold. Damn. All right, so we'll re-weld that.